What's going on, guys? Alex here, and today, actually, it's Friday. Me and Manny are heading out to Monroe because there is the car show today, or not today, but tomorrow. DriftCon 2019. Me and your boy Manny, we're gonna be out here. My boy Manny chilling in his M4. What's up? Upgrade from the Subi, baby. What up? But yeah, guys, today's probably just gonna be like just us getting there. It's gonna be pretty boring, to be honest, but I'm just gonna film as much as I can because I love making these videos. So yeah, let's do it. We're on the way. All right, guys, so we made it to Issaquah right now. This is where our Airbnb is, and it is pouring. Like, it was a terrible drive over the pass. What do you think, Manny?
It was super bad. A lot of, well, it wasn't a lot of accidents, but the puddles, a lot of puddles.
Yeah, a lot of hydroplaning. Good morning. So it's currently 8:40 something a.m. Me and Manny just, well, Manny's already showered. I just woke up, but you gotta go. You gotta go wash our cars. You gotta do a bunch of shit. Car show today. Car show things. Let's get the day started. Bro, what happened, bro? Manny, what happened?
We got a big ass ticket.
How'd it happen, bro?
Dude, so I don't know where this cop came from. Out of nowhere. We were hauling ass. I was behind you. And I looked through the mirror and I saw a cop. I was like, oh, fuck. So I slowed down. And then he went through he was behind I think it was a Ford. They went on the other lane and then he just cut the other truck and got right behind me. I was like, oh. I was going.
My boy Manny, man. You know, we have never gotten a ticket coming to any car show. Yeah, and this one was the first time, bro. Oh, dude, I feel so bad.
Dude. Got mine cleaned up, dried, and everything. Guys, we'll update you in a couple minutes.
All right, boys and girls, Manny took over the vlog / car thing that I'm doing right now. So for the most part, next to this video is pretty much just gonna be like cinematics of cars and the show and such. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this. It has literally no structure, but let's fucking do it.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with a nasty bad eye. Smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do.
Alright, guys, so a big reason why I'm kind of nervous right now is because my on the way here there was a bunch of like huge puddles and my front splitter was pulled down. Like my whole front, so it's like my front lip, my front like splitter, all that was pulled down, and now it's like there's a big gap in between because the bumper insert broke. like where my two rods are connected, it had like so much force that it broke down. So I feel like I'm gonna get like judged pretty harshly on that, which I understand, but at the same time, it's just like, it's really shitty that I didn't have time to fix it. And it's like,
timing.
yeah, it's like I couldn't really do much about it either way, so.
I've done it before, I know.
Alright guys, so DriftCon AfterDark just ended. Me and Manny didn't win anything, but it's cool, because it was a cool ass event.